In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Stremio on an LG Smart TV. To get started, open a web browser on your phone, tablet, computer, or directly on your LG Smart TV. In the search bar, type Stremio and look through the search results carefully. The goal here is to find the official Stremio website, so take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct result. Once you find it, open the official site and wait for the home page to load fully. From there, navigate to the Downloads section and open the Stremio Downloads page. You'll see a list of supported platforms, so review that list carefully and scroll down through the available options until you find the section for LG TV. In that section, read the compatibility details provided for LG Smart TVs. This is important because you'll want to verify that your specific TV model is supported, and if required, confirm that your LG TV is a 2020 model or newer. Once you've confirmed compatibility, turn on your LG Smart TV and make sure it's connected to the internet. It's also a good idea to check that your TV is running the latest version of WebOS, since app availability and performance can depend on your software version. Next, press the Home button on your LG remote and open the LG Content Store. Inside the LG Content Store, select the search option and type Stremio into the search field. Review the results, then choose the Stremio app to open its app page. Before installing, take a quick look at the app information and any listed requirements so you know everything matches your device. After that, click Install and wait for the installation to finish. When the app is done installing, select Open to launch it on your LG Smart TV. Once Stremio opens, sign in with your account. If you don't already have one, create a new account and continue through any first-time setup prompts. After that, give the app a moment to sync your account preferences and library. When the Stremio home screen appears, check that it loads correctly and browse through some of the available content to confirm the app is working as expected. If Stremio doesn't appear in the LG Content Store, recheck your region settings, update your TV software if needed, and restart the TV before searching again. You should also confirm one more time that your TV model meets the minimum requirements. Once everything is set up and working properly, you're ready to start watching content through Stremio on your LG Smart TV. Thanks for watching.